Welcome back to In's Lifestyle, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of trellises for your green companions. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, a trellis can be a game changer in maximizing space and adding aesthetic flair to your indoor or outdoor oasis. Let's talk versatility. Trellises come in all shapes and sizes, from simple wooden frames to intricate metal designs. They can be customized to fit any space, whether you're working with a sprawling backyard or a cozy apartment balcony. Plus, they provide essential support for climbing plants like tomatoes, peas, and cucumbers, promoting healthy growth and easier harvesting. Now, let's get crafty. DIY trellises are not only budget-friendly but also allow for creative expression. Get your hands dirty with materials like bamboo, twine, or even recycled materials like old ladders or pallets. With a bit of imagination and some basic tools, you can design a one-of-a-kind trellis that adds personality to your plant sanctuary. Let's delve deeper into the benefits of using trellises in your gardening endeavors. Beyond their support function, trellises can help optimize sunlight exposure for your plants, ensuring they receive the right amount of light for optimal growth. By training vines to climb vertically, trellises also help save valuable ground space, allowing you to grow more plants in a smaller area, a boon for urban gardeners or those with limited outdoor space. And let's not overlook the satisfaction of watching your plants thrive on a well-designed trellis. There's something incredibly rewarding about seeing your hard work pay off as your climbers reach new heights and produce abundant harvests. Plus, trellises can add visual interest and dimension to your garden, transforming it into a vibrant tapestry of greenery. So, whether you're aiming for a lush vertical garden or simply looking to add structure to your plant collection, trellises are a gardening essential that offers both practicality and beauty. Don't forget the aesthetics. Trellises aren't just functional, they're also an opportunity to elevate your plant display. Experiment with different shapes and patterns to complement your plant's foliage or create a stunning focal point in your garden. And don't be afraid to mix and match materials for a unique look that reflects your style. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a plant lover looking to spruce up your space, trellises are a must-have accessory for any green thumb. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.